Good morning dear students. Today we will start revision of chapter 2 noun numbers. Noun numbers. Numbers it can be singular and it can be plural. जो numbers हैं वो singular भी हो सकते हैं और वो plural भी हो सकते हैं. Singular noun. A noun is singular in number when it indicates only one person, object or thing. Okay. In singular noun, it indicates only one person, one thing and one object. Okay. Example, a man, a book, a pen, an apple, a chair. So here we are indicating only one person, one thing and one object. Okay. Next is plural noun. A noun is plural in number when it points to more than one person or thing. जो plural noun है वो one person से ज़्यादा और one thing से ज़्यादा की ओर indicate करती है. And only countable nouns can have a plural form. जो countables noun है, countables क्या कौन सी होती है जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं. It can be counted. Okay. So only countable noun have only plural form. Okay. For example, 5 men. Okay. 20 pens. 10 apples. 15 chairs. So here all nouns are countables. That's why we can write in plural form. Okay. Now I will tell the rules for noun numbers. Okay. First rule, most of the noun add s. Mostly noun we add s. बहुत सी ऐसी noun होती है जिनमें हम only s ही add करते हैं. For example, horse. हॉर्स में हमने एस ऐड किया तो क्या बन गया ये हॉर्सेस. व्हेन वी विल ऐड एस विथ ट्रेन इट विल बी ट्रेन्स. व्हेन वी विल ऐड बॉय एस विथ बॉय इट विल बी बॉयज. एंड ट्री ट्रीज. कार कार्स. डोर डोर्स. ओके. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट रूल. व्हेन मोस्टली जो नाउन होती हैं उसमें हम क्या ऐड करते हैं एस टू मेक इट plural. Okay. Second rule is noun ending in a hissing sound. जब कोई noun hissing sound से end होती है then we will add es. Okay. Hissing sound, for example, s, double s, sh, ch and x. Okay. When you will pronounce, you will listen hissing sound. Okay. For example, class. Which sound is coming? Hissing sound. Class. We will add es. It will be classes. And glass. It will be glasses. Bush. sh here. And which sound is coming? Hissing sound. And we will add es. It will be bushes. Dish. Dishes. And now ch sound is coming here. Then we will add es. Match matches. Watch watches. Okay. Fox. Fox. Which sound is coming? Hissing sound. And we will add es to make it plural. Okay. So this rule, most noun ending in o. Okay. Then we will add es to make it plural. For example, buffalo. Buffalo is ending with o. Okay. So we will add es to make it plural. It will be buffaloes. Okay. Next, mango. Here also it is ending in o. That's why we will add es to make it plural. It will be mangoes. And next, photo. It is also ending in o and we will add es to make it plural. It will be photos. And here also it is ending in o and we will add es to make it plural. It will be heroes. Okay. And now next 4 rule, noun ending in f and fe. If your noun is end with F and FE, then we will add VES to make it plural. Okay, let's see the example. Calf. Here it is ending with F. Okay, so the place of F we will add VES to make it plural. Okay, calf, it will be calves. Place of F we will add VES, it will be calves. Okay, leaf, it is also ending in F and we will add VES to make it plural, it will be leaves. Here thief, here also it is ending in F and we will add VES to make it plural, it will be thieves. Here knife, it is ending with FE. The place of FE we will add VES to make it plural, it will be knives. And life, it will be lives. Wife, it will be wives. Okay, so the place of FE we will add VES to make it plural. Okay, next rule is fifth rule. And noun ending in a consonant plus Y, change the Y into IES. If any noun is ending in Y consonant, then we will add IES to make it plural. Okay, example, army, it is ending in Y, it's a consonant. Okay, the place of Y we will add IES to make it plural, so it will be armies. Army, armies. Baby, babies. City, cities. Okay, diary, the place of Y we will add IES to make it plural, it will be diaries. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. So this is rule number 3rd and this is rule number 4 and this is rule number 5. Rule number 6, noun ending in a vowel plus Y, then we will add only S. Okay, example, boy. So in boy word, before Y vowel O is written, that's why we will add only S to make it plural. Okay, it will be boys. Donkey, here also before Y vowel E is written here, it's a vowel, and then we will write only S to make it plural, it will be donkeys. Joy, before Y O is written here and it's a vowel, that's why we will add only S to make it plural, it will be joys. Okay, 7th rule, a few noun from their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. Example, foot. So here double O vowel is written and it will be feet. Okay, it will be double E. Okay, next, man. A vowel is written here and when you will make plural it will be E and it will be man. Tooth. Okay, when we will make its plural it will be changed in teeth. Okay, women, woman, women. Okay, so this is a rule number 7. Now rule number 8, noun consisting of several words add S to the main word. Only we will add only S. A few words when we will make plural form we add only S. Let's see the example, maid servant. When you will change in plural form then we will add only S. Okay, it will be maid servants. And here son-in-law, when it will change in plural form then we will add only S, it will be sons-in-law. Okay, so this is a rule number 8. And rule number 9, the plural of ox is oxen and the plural of child is children. Okay, so student, this is very important. Mostly student they change children's. Okay, so don't get confused, it will be only children. Okay, rule number 10, same form in the singular as well as plural. Okay, कुछ फॉर्म ऐसी होती हैं जिनमें जो भी सिंगुलर है प्लूरल में भी वो सेम ही वर्ड्स रहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल डियर, डियर, शिप and fish and 100 and aircraft. When you will write in plural form there will be no change. कुछ भी change नहीं होगा. Same as it is word we have to write in plural form also. Okay. Deer का deer ही रहेगा और sheep का sheep ही रहेगा, fish का fish ही रहेगा, 100 and aircraft aircraft. Students, we have learned in this chapter definition of singular and plural noun and rules of singular and plural noun. So that's all for today and have a nice day.